Hello everyone. In this episode, we will learn how to create a bin in Power BI. You can create a bin on any numeric column or any numeric calculated column. You can also define your bin size based on your requirement. Let me switch to the computer for the demo. So let me show you the data table first. So here you can see the order quantity and these are the value. So I will create a bin on the order quantity. Now let me go back to the report page and I will expand my data model. And here you can see order quantity column and I will right click on the order quantity. And here you can see option new group. Just click on the new group. So here you can see the group option. So here is the name of the bin. So I'll just put a space between order and QTY. So this is my bin name. Other field you can't change, only you can define the bin size. So I will say the bin size is 5 and I will click on OK button. So now you can see the new column order QTY bin column is added in your data model. Now let me go to the data and we'll see. So here you can see the bin size 0. So let me select only 0. So if I'll select 0, it will show me the order quantity from 1 to 4. Now, if I will select bin size 5, so it will show me the order quantity from 5 to 9. So let me click OK and let's check. So here you can see 5 to 9. And if I select a 10, so it will show me the order quantity from 10 to 14. So you can see 10 to 14. Now let me add a one visual here, column chart. So, and on x-axis, I will add a order quantity bin. And on y-axis, I will add a total sales. So I want to see the order quantity versus total sales. Now let me enable a data label. And now you can see here. And let me make it category wise. So on x-axis, I will say category wise. So as you can see 0 to 4, the 48 millions, 5 to 9, 27 millions, 10 to 14, 5 million, and so on. That's all for this video and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.